Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good. We are here to share our views on the topic suicidal attempts by the teenagers under peer pressure. So, here is my friend Sahil with us again. Hello Sahil.
Hello Vansh, hello my old friends. I am really happy that you liked our previous video, and after today's discussion also, I will be pretty sure that you all people will like today's video also.
Sahil, as we know that the today's generation, especially today's teenagers, somehow feel pressure from small to small things to large things. So it is somehow good that they are becoming mature and their mindset is becoming sharp. But nowadays they are leading to very disasterful events in our society. So what are your thoughts about it?
I agree to your word Vansh, but teenagers sometimes also takes peer pressure, and as you said, the pressure can be for personal problems also, which you said which is of large problem, and also as well as for small to small problems like for their exams also.
You mentioned about the exams, about education. That reminded me about the CCE pattern, which was launched by CBSE for class 10th and 12th.
But once, why did this happen?
The CEC system was introduced by the Central Board of Secondary Education or CBSE in 2009 with enactment of right to education. Its main aim was for the holistic development among the students.
Okay, once. So this is the reason behind the CC pattern. Okay, but I also listened about an incident happened 2 years ago where a girl killed herself because of too much pressure and burden for board exams.
Yes, my friend, a girl named Prerna, just a 14-year-old girl, had took her life because she got failed in half-yearly exams of class 8. And like her, there are thousands of people who live in this society in India are students that are doing this a day or the another.
My friend, India's student suicide crisis is not new developing. India has consistently reported high suicide rates. A large number of suicides were reported in the 15 to 29 years of age group.
Kyle, do you know there is a 22 percentage of students who lead to doing suicides in Telangana, and this incident was the main concern about by the Telangana government. This was the reason that the exams were postponed. The students attempted this uh, step for because they were failed in intermediate exams in Telangana. Do you know what are the psychological mindset of these students and why a 14-year-old girl Prerna had took a very painful step in her life that have ruined the life of their parents too. Can you explain me something, Sahil?
Yes, once Dr. Amit Sen, a psychiatrist who worked with the Children First Mental Health Institute in Delhi, he said in an interview that as students enter in class 9, there is a belief that is whipped up in their thinking that there are only two things that will define his or her future. Firstly, the percentage of marks in the 12th board and which college they get into after selecting their stream in class 11. And because of this reason, all their effort is invested in these two things. And by chancely, I'm saying it by chancely, if they fail, they feel their life is doomed, and they do these silly mistakes or silly attempts of suiciding. My friend, I told you about the reasons behind suicidal thoughts, but can you please tell our audience, our public, our friends, that how the thoughts can be prevented?
My friend, the preventions are so simple that everybody can control it. The people having this type of mindset in their mind who are planning for suiciding should never be live alone. They should be with their friends, with their family, so that they could not feel alone and their mind is not diverted. And secondly, they should concern a psychiatrist or doctor. It is very compulsory for them to do. For spending some more pennies for their medical condition is very cheap than risking their life.
Vansh, these are really some effective points for preventing suicidal impacts. So thank you, Vansh, for telling this to our audience.
Thank you, my friend Sahil, to share your thoughts again on a new topic that we have created in this video. At last,
Thank
I
you.
just wanted to say some lines from a great movie कि तुम्हारा फ्यूचर डिसाइड तुम्हारा रिजल्ट नहीं करता, तुम्हें बस कोशिश करनी चाहिए, तुम्हारा डिटर्मिनेशन ही तुम्हें आगे बढ़ाएगा, तुम्हारी नैया पार लगाएगा. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. And over to you, Sahil.
And everybody, every public audience, and my all friends, be ready on every Sunday for a new video. Sorry, today's video was delayed because of some reasons, but I'm really happy that we ended this video also.
Yeah, Sahil.